Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to write a C program to perform arithmetic sum. That is, we will ask the user to enter two numbers and then we have to return us, or we have to simply print what exactly would be their sum. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So just like a normal C program, the very first thing that we have to do is we have to include the header files that would be required. So the very basic header file is stdio.h. So let's include it. So we have included our stdio.h. Now let's start our main method. Now what is the next step that we have to perform? So we have to take input from the user, right? So those inputs are two numbers. So first of all we have to declare those two numbers, right? Like the variable onto which we will store those two numbers. So let's call those variables as a and b. Now let's decide what would be the data type. So since we are aware that the number is going to be the input is going to be number, right? So we have different data types for number as well. Like we have integer, we have floating type, we have double as well, right? So in this situation we are restricting ourselves to the integer type itself. So let's declare it using int, right? Now let's tell the user what exactly he or she needs to do. So let's write printf and let's tell them to enter the number. Okay, enter first number particularly. Now let's say the user has entered the number. Okay, let's say after seeing this comment he or she has entered first number. So we as a programmer have to store it somewhere, and where exactly we have to store? So we have to store it in this variable. So let's see how we can do that. So we'll simply write scanf and then we'll give modulus d. Since we are aware that the number is going out to be of integer type itself, that's why we wrote d. Now let's write comma and then we'll give ampersand, and then we will write the variable in which we have to store the things that the user is providing. So over here it will be a. So similarly let's do it for b, and to do that I'm simply copy pasting the things up. Yeah, so I will just tell the user, sorry. Yeah, so I will just tell the user to enter the second number, and now whatever the number the user is providing, that we will store it in B. So as of now, we got those two numbers, right? Now what we have to perform? So we basically have to find the sum. So what will be the sum? So it will be A plus B. And in programming, or talking particularly about C, then we can find the sum of two numbers with plus symbol itself. So let's print the things directly. So we'll simply write sum of numbers are, and then we will write modulus d, and after comma we'll add the things as a plus b, right? Now let's run and see everything working. And here you can see it's asking me to enter the first number, let it be 10. Now it's asking me to enter the second number, let it be 20. So the output should be 30, and here you can see that the sum of numbers is 30. This is how basically we can write a program in C language to sum two numbers. I hope you understood the things very clearly. But still, if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. We will surely try to take it up as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. Thank you.